I've got two sweet peppers here. One we've got Cubano, and then over here we've got the red bell. And these have been sitting just outside, like in the garage, for about a week, because peppers can be really sensitive when they're being transplanted. So it's really important that you get them acclimated to your weather. So keep them in a protected area for about a week before planting them. And it's overcast now, and we're getting a rain shower soon, so now's the perfect time to plant them. It is overcast right now, and it's actually drizzling as we speak. So there's no better time than to plant a sweet pepper right now.